Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Hello everyone, class student, class 10, nice to meet you. Now, I will discuss about the real life problems related to different solids. Okay. Now, you know that solids are right circular cylinder, cone and sphere. How to related they are? We must have to solve some problem. Clear? Now, let us take one example. Here, this is a sphere whose radius, whose radius 8 centimeter. Clear? Now, it melts and to form small spheres. Now, the question is how many small spheres will be made from these big spheres. Clear? So, let us take the radius of the small sphere be r equal to half. Let us take. So, we have to find the volume of the first big spheres and then we have to find out the volume of the small sphere. Clear? Let us take V1 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. And then V2 will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, you have to find the number of the small spheres. So, we divide V1 by V2. Now, you see that 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi be cancelled. Clear? So, we have r cube by r cube. Now, putting the value of capital R and small r, that means 8 cube by half cube. We have the result. Clear? After cancelling, after calculate, we have to find the result. Clear? All the students. Next example, I will place you. Next example is example number 2. Let us take a solid cylinder is to be taken and a hemisphere is taken, the inner of the solid sphere. Clear? And then a cone in the inside the cylinder. Clear? So, you have to find the ratio of the volume of the three solids. Now, this is R and this is H, but we have to find the relation between H and R. Since it is a hemisphere, so it is this is R, so this is R. Clear? And this height must be R. So, we have the relation between the height and the radius. So, the ratio of the three solids will be 1/3 pi r square into h. H means smaller, is 2. The formula of the hemisphere, the volume of the hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. And then the volume of the cylinder will be pi r square into h. H means, because h means r. Clear? Here we see that pi and pi be cancelled. R cube and r cube be cancelled. Clear? So we have 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3 is to 1. Okay. Now the LCM of the denominator be 3. So if we multiply by 3, so we have 1 is to, sorry to write 1 is to 2 is to 3. This is the required ratio, that's cone, hemisphere and the cylinder. Clear? Now the next example is this is a log made of the tree. Clear? So here the section of the log is the circular section. Okay. Now you have to find a log like this, rectangular. This is the rectangular parallelepiped. We know that the volume of the rectangular parallelepiped is length into breadth into height, otherwise the volume of the solid will be area of the base and the length or height. Clear? To wasting minimum woods, we have to make the log. So here it is given that it is 12 root 2 centimeter. So this portion be cut from this log and to form this. So for this figure, let us take this side, each side of the square be A. Now we know that this is a square. Here A, so diagonal will be applying the Pythagoras theorem. Root 2 into A square plus A square equal to 2A square. So we take root 2 into A. Clear? Now root 2 into A equal to 12 root 2. So A equal to 12. So the length of the each side is 12 centimeter. And here it is given that the length of the rod 21 centimeter. Clear? The question is how much the volume of the wood be washed, and also what is the volume of this log. First we have to find the volume of the log, the circular log. We know that volume of cylinder equal to pi r square into h. So here pi, r means the radius. Here diameter is 12 root 2. Okay. So, radius will be 6 root 2 and h is the length 21 centimeter. Pi means 22 by 7 into 36 into 2 into 21. Sorry, it is centimeter cube. So, it will be now 22 into 36 into 6 centimeter cube. Clear? This is the volume of the circular log. Now, A means the side of the square, it is 12 centimeter, but length is the same. So, volume of the rectangular parallelepiped, that means this type of the log V2 be 12 square into 21 centimeter cube. After calculating, we have to find the final volume of this type of log, and the second answer is how much would be the watts would be if we subtract from V1 to V2. V1 to V2, that means 22 into 36 into 6 minus 12 into 21 total centimeter cube. So, we get this portion, the volume of this portion. Clear, all the student? Now, this type of the example helps to solve various type of the problem. Next, I will place you another example. Okay. Here, this is the tank. Here length, breadth and the height of the tank is length, breadth of the height of the tank is 21, 11 and 6 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Take some water into the tank. A 100 metal bolts poured into the tank. Now the question is, how much water will rises? Clear? But it is given that the radius of the small balls is given. Let us take 21 by, sorry, it is given that diameter be 21. So, radius be 21 by 2. I will write the clear picture. Here some water and poured the small balls whose diameter 21. So, the question is, find the height of the rises level of the water. This portion, and the number of the balls be chosen. Let us take 100 small balls be poured into the water, and the question is the rising height. Okay. We must say that the rising height, the level of the rising height be, let us take x. So, according to the theory of the Archimedes, 100 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, diameter is given 21. So, r be 21 by 2 whole cube. This is the volume of the 100 spheres, and this equal to the volume of the rises water. So, here length be same, breadth be same, that means 21 into 11 and x. Due to this formation, if we calculate the value of x, we find the rises level, that means the height of the rises level. Clear? So, 100 into 4 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 equal to, from the right hand side we must take 21 and put the denominator 1 by 21 and 1 by 11. If we calculate, we find the value of x. Clear? This is the very important sums for your exam also, and you must have to try. That means you must reach at the optimum. The next class I will discuss the next chapter. Okay? Thank you everyone.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.